and welcome back to Excel Carols. Before starting, sincere apology for not being able to upload videos in the past couple of weeks. Today, we will talk about easiest way of unstacking data from a complex array. Let's say we have the stock details of a supermarket along with the units available and per unit's price, and we want to have these data in a tabular form, something like this. So we will have the product here, the units available and the per unit price. The problem here is that if we drag this down, we won't get the desired data. To fix this problem, let's apply a trick. Note that we have the values in column A. So let's put the cell address along with two other letters. So let's choose A and M as our letters, and then let's put the cell addresses. For example, our first product is in cell A1. The units available is in cell A2. We will put it with the same letters. And we have the per unit price in cell A3. So similarly, let's put A4, A5. Note that instead of A and M, you can put any letter. If we drag it down, Excel has recognized the pattern. Now we will replace A and M with an equal sign. To do that, simply go to Find and Select under the Home tab. Select Replace option. So we have to find A and M and we have to replace it with an equal sign. If you click on Replace All, we see that we have our values over here. Note that it is simply referring a cell and we have replaced A and M with an equal sign. Hope you liked that trick. If yes, click on the like button, share it as much as you can, mention your feedback in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon in order to get all the notifications.